Welcome back. In this short video, I will show you all the Pro upgrade specific settings. Let's start with the video setup page. When your channel is upgraded to the Pro level, TV can help you generate, optimize, and adapt your video titles and descriptions. You can use TV to generate an alternative title or description for your video if needed. Just click the TV icon and let our AI do the rest. You can also use TV to generate a long description for your video. This will be generated based on your video title and short video description. Another use is, for example, after you submit your channel search feed and you feel the need to adjust the video titles and description to gain more visibility in search results. Just click the TV icon and it will generate a new title or description. The Pro VIP tab. In this tab, you can find your Roku search feed and links to the legal pages we generated for your channel. You can use the provided links or copy and paste the provided information on your web page and use those links in your channel setup. Also, on this page, you can set up your categories. Feel free to use our AI helper if you need help with category ideas. Click the icon, and based on your channel description and title, TV will make suggestions for you. To add a new category, click the plus button and repeat the process. Customize the title and add the tag or tags. If you want to change the ordering of the categories, you can use the Update Position button. When you finish, click Save. If the channel has already been published, the changes should show up instantly. After you have finished the setup for the first time and you are ready to submit the channel for approval, use the Request SDK button to contact our support desk to provide the information needed so our developers can have your channel SDK built and delivered to you. That's all for now, and we will see you in the next video.